Let's be honest, not every barn find is a hidden gem. Some are just old iron that the earth is trying to take back. But for the guy with a welder, a spare parts bin, and a stubborn streak, these are the listings that matter. We're looking at 10 projects that range from ran when parked to parts-only specials. No fluff, no dealer shine, just the raw truth of the project car market. Grab a coffee, let's see what's sitting in the dirt this week. 1. 1962 Chevrolet Nova, parts only, Franklin, Georgia, $800. A pure donor for your early Chevy 2 project. The seller isn't sugarcoating this one, it's rough, but for $800, it's a gold mine of hard-to-find trim and glass. It's a complete car with a 6-cylinder and a Power Glide transmission, sitting on 5 lug wheels front and back. If you're building a 62 Nova, you know how expensive the small parts are. Buying this whole car for $800 is cheaper than buying a handful of chrome trim pieces and a dashboard on eBay. 2. 1977 Ford F350 Flatbed, Wooddale, Illinois, $1,700. A heavy-duty worker that still breathes. This two-wheel drive F350 runs and drives. It's a long bed flatbed with 80,000 miles. It needs tires and brakes before it's road ready, but the bones are there. Note, seller lists it as manual in the description, but automatic in the specs. Definitely worth a clarifying phone call. A running F350 for under $2,000 is a rare find. For a farm truck or a local hauler, this is a lot of utility for very little cash. 3. 1962 Chevrolet C10 Stepside, Corinth, Mississippi, $2,000. The Rust, and More Rust Special. Seller listed as a G10 van, but clearly a C10 short-bed stepside. It's a major project with significant rot, but it comes with new body parts to get the repair started. $2,000 cash or trade for an OBS Chevy. Short-bed stepsides are the classic hot rod truck silhouette. Despite the rust, the fact that it comes with new metal parts makes it a viable project for someone handy with a MIG welder. 4. 1978 Ford Thunderbird, Madison, Illinois, $2,000. A one-owner diamond in the rough. This T-Bird has 100,000 original miles and is still with the original owner. It doesn't start, likely a carb issue, and has a busted passenger taillight. It comes with new bumpers and the original hubcaps. The seller needs it moved yesterday. One-owner cars are always preferred because you can usually get the full history. If it truly is just a carb issue, this is a weekend of work away from being a plush 70s cruiser. 5. 1973 Mercedes 240D, Stanford, Kentucky, $1,000. Bulletproof German engineering in need of a title. It doesn't run, but the seller claims the body and frame are in good condition. No title, but in Kentucky, a rebuilt title path is possible. These diesel engines are legendary for going 500,000 miles if you can get them primed. The W114/W115 Mercedes are becoming massive collectibles. For $1,000, it's a stylish, over-engineered project that'll outlast us all.
6. 1972 Pontiac Lemans Luxury Lemans, Summerville, South Carolina, $1,600. A clean title roller ready for a heart transplant. This seller listed as Aero Coupe, likely referring to the formal roofline. No motor, no transmission, and no hood, but it has a new floor pan and a clean title. It's a blank canvas for a GTO tribute or a modern LS swap. The 72A body platform is one of the best handling muscle car foundations. With the floors already done and a clean title, you're skipping the most expensive and frustrating parts of a restoration. 7. 1975 Plymouth Scamp, Paragold, Arkansas, $2,000. A running Mopar Slant 6 Survivor. This Scamp, valiant twin, runs and drives. It's got some rust in the trunk and the lower quarters, but it's an automatic with a title in hand. Mopar A-bodies are the perfect entry-level classic. The Slant 6 is unkillable, and the Scamp's hardtop styling is much more desirable than the four-door versions. 8. 1963 Chrysler 300, Chesapeake, Virginia, $500. The Big Block Bargain of the Year. $500 firm, no title, no extra parts, poor condition, but it has a Big Block motor, likely a 383 or 413, and it's a complete 1963 300. For the price of a dinner and some drinks, you get a Big Block Chrysler. Even if the body is too far gone, the engine and transmission core alone are worth double the asking price. Nine. 1966 Volvo P1800S, Greensboro, North Carolina, $1,200. The Saint in need of a donor. The frame is shot, but this is a complete parts car with all glass, trim, and latches present. No title, but it has the keys. P1800 parts are incredibly expensive and hard to find. If you are restoring one of these beautiful Swedish coupes, this $1,200 investment will save you $5,000 in parts costs over the long run. Ten. 1975 Chevrolet C10 Scottsdale, Flint, Michigan, $1,000. A one-owner short-bed project from the Vehicle City. Located in Flint, Michigan, this one-owner Scottsdale is a short bed. It has 150,000 miles and a title in hand. $1,000 gets you into the square body game. One-owner short beds for $1,000 are nearly extinct. Expect rust, it's Michigan, but for $1,000, you can't find a better starting point for a C10 build. 10 projects, 10 ways to spend your tax return. Whether you're chasing a one-owner Scottsdale or a $500 Big Block Chrysler, these deals move fast. Let me know in the comments, are you taking the Mercedes or the Pontiac Roller? Don't forget to subscribe to help us keep these legends out of the crusher. I'll see you on the next list.